Bryson McClintock. After going 0-3, let's just say a very bad start to the season, you have the Bolts, a lot easier of an opponent than the Mustangs. What do you think you're going to execute on today?
Well, I think we just have to pitch strikes and let them hit the ball and let our fielding do the work. And I got to keep on doing what I've been doing, hitting absolute piss missiles, nukes. Just keep on doing what I've been doing. But it's a team thing, so yeah.
Well, and another thing, the Bolts have none of the real players here, just subs.
I know, I'm the only real player.
Yeah, he's like the only real player
It
here.
doesn't give me any other reasons not to destroy the Bolts, so.
Dude, I'm gonna laugh if you actually lose. If you lose the series, I'm gonna laugh. There's no way though, right?
There's no way.
There's no way though. All right, Bryson McClintock, thank you for your time.
Right.
Ball 4, take your base. Ball 4.
Go.
I feel like this is Hell's Kitchen, except it's a Bryson and wiffle ball. Ball 4, take your base. Ball 4, walked in a run.
Good job, Kate.
And that one will break the no-hitter. Run, Bryson, go, 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 go. He is 100% safe.
Risk it for the biscuit, Bryson.
2-0. Bases loaded.
What is that? What is that? Girlfriend.
And that should be the first out. What? Oh, what are you doing? And that'll score 2 more runs, 4-0. His first pitch
Watch this.
of the new season. That one is gone.
Oh, darn it.
That's a 3-run shot, but it only counts as 2 more runs, 6-run rule.
I don't like it here.
The Bombers lead 6-0. First pitch, crushing from Bryson McClintock. Bombers 6, Bolts nothing.
He's pitching 1 pitch.
Yeah.
Don't even film it.
Yeah, but it counts.
Yeah, it does count though. Caden Johnson, sort of a Make-A-Wish kid in my eyes. And that's why he's only going to pitch 1 ball today.
I was going to hit him as hard as I...
Leave him alone. Bo makes contact on the ball. That is a fair ball. That's more fair. And he's safe. Bo's going too. Bo actually tore his meniscus, so that's why he's running weird. Oh my gosh, how did he get a double out of that? Trying as hard as he can, you just can't throw a strike. Ball 4. Do not call each other biscuits out here. That's not cool. Oh, Bryce! Run! Run, biscuit! Oh my god! It's a chase! He hit it! He's out!
He bounced and hit it.
He hit it! Oh my gosh!
You stupid!
No, she's trying to say the thing, and when it bounces and it hits it.
It's the same exact thing. That's an out! But the guy does go to third on the steal.
What?
Ball 4, take your base.
Get out of here.
Oh my gosh, Caden is in again.
Oh,
Oh, we got him!
No,
I
we
got it!
We're going to review.
Yes, fucking way. Is there a review?
We're going to review, honestly. We can't even see the back.
After review of the play, he is safe. The pitch on a 3-0 count. Ball 4, bases loaded.
Pitching anymore. He started.
Ball 4.
Oh, yeah.
And the Bolts score their first run. Ball 4.
So retarded. Oh,
1 foot off the base.
And that is a hit for sure. Bolts score. Ball 4. 6-4.
Instant out. He's backing up. He's backing out. Oh, he messed up. Drill. Yeah!
Out number 2.
Oh, see, that's only out number 2. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just don't get me out.
Strike
6-4 is our score. 6 Bombers, 4 Bolts.
Jack that.
And that is a hit. It's a short. Safe.
All right, send it.
Ball 4.
No, I turned his internet off.
That's a dinger. Bryson is now tied for the home run lead. And that's a bunt. No, keep going, Caden. Run, Caden, run.
Breaking all my ankles.
Go, run.
Damn it, do nothing.
That's a triple. That was not an error. That was a triple. Nobody touched it. That's a triple.
It was really bad.
Hit it short. 1 run scores. Single. Strike 3.
Let's freaking go! I quit.
Bryson. Hit to Bryce. This should be the second out, and it is. That is 2. Oh, Caden hits the ball.
Give me that freaking shit.
He's safe at second. That one is gone.
Yay.
Home run leader. Bryson McClintock. Bryson, you have to walk the bases.
Hey, watch this, watch this, watch this.
Just hits a granola bar. And that is a hit.
Hey, give me the ball.
Out.
Now you're getting pegged.
Pitch. And he hits the ball. Run, Bryce, run. That is 2 outs.
Blazers for life.
That's 3 outs. That'll end the inning. That's a hit to Bryce. Oh, what a snag. Out number 1. That was a good snag. And that's a rip lefty. That's a grand roll double. That's a bunt. Nice bunt.
Let me get third, and then I'll give you 2 runs batted in. Go for it. Oh my
That's
God.
a hit.
Yeah.
No. What a bunt. He is safe.
Keep going. He's out. Keep going.
Keep going. Guys at second and third.
Max in the pool and watch the game.
And that one is gone. That's the first roll for the game. See ya, everybody.